Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manually empty the dustbin. So in order to do it, just open this magnetic lid, and you actually don't need to do this because after cleaning it will automatically empty it into the charging base, which has a dust bag inside. But if you really want it, then you can just open the magnetic lid, then you'll see the dustbin here. In order to easily take it out, just click on this button right here, then you can take it out, and then you can take the filter out. So push on this notch and it will open pretty easily. Now you can empty it, then put the filter on again, and then put it in. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.